Hello everyone. In this video, we will gonna see how can we connect to hack the box using the openvpn in parrot OS. So you can use the same procedure for every Linux operating system, and but I'm gonna show here for the parrot OS. So first of all, what we have to do, first of all, let's move to hack the box section, and at the same time open your terminal, and here you can see I am already logged in. So what you have to do is you have to go to the access section, and let me remove the file so I can show you from starting. And so after going to the access section, you have to click on here where it is written download your connection pack, and click on here, and you can see it gives you option to save the some file. And when you can grant the access to save the file, here you can see I will grant the access to save the file, and you can see it will get downloaded in my downloads folder. So first, now let's move to our terminal, and as you can see I am already. So let me see where I am. I am here, and let's move to the download section, and here you can see the file that I just downloaded. So now what you have to do, you have to just type the command sudo openvpn and with the file name, and here you have to enter the password. The default password for the parrot OS is toor, that is TOOR. So now you can see our connection is initiated, and let's see if the connected is right. Here if you can see that this is right sign, it means that you are already, it means that you are connected. If this is crossed, then means there is some error while connection. If you are facing any error, you can let me know in the comment section. I'll be love to answer you all, and thank you for watching this video. That's all for this, and that's all. Thank you.